The moment the road opens up and the horizon stretches endlessly ahead, you realize this is not just another motorhome story. This is something far more exclusive, far more ambitious, and far more refined. Today, you're stepping into a vision of American luxury on wheels, where power meets elegance and long highways feel like private runways. Welcome back to Motor Plus Zone, and if you appreciate premium machines, cinematic journeys, and the future of luxury travel, take a second to subscribe and join us as we explore vehicles that redefine what it means to move in style. What you're about to experience is not hype, not fantasy, but a bold statement rolling confidently into the future. This is the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. From the very first glance, this motorhome commands respect. It doesn't announce itself loudly, it simply arrives with presence. The front design carries unmistakable Cadillac DNA, with a bold grille that feels sculpted rather than assembled, flanked by vertical LED lighting that slices through the air like modern architecture. The stance is low, wide, and purposeful, giving the impression that this massive luxury home was designed not just to exist on the road, but to own it. As it glides forward, the reflections across its paint feel deliberate, almost cinematic, turning highways, city streets, and desert roads into moving galleries of light. Behind that commanding face lies a powertrain engineered for effortless dominance. Cadillac has never been about brute force alone, it's about controlled strength. The 2026 motorhome delivers smooth, confident acceleration that feels calm even at highway speeds. Merging onto American interstates or cruising through long UK motorways feels surprisingly refined, with power delivered quietly, seamlessly, and without drama. The suspension absorbs imperfections with a grace that feels closer to a luxury sedan than a multi-ton motorhome, making long journeys feel relaxed rather than demanding. Step inside, and the outside world fades instantly. The cabin welcomes you with an atmosphere that feels closer to a five-star lounge than a traditional RV interior. Soft ambient lighting traces the lines of the ceiling and walls, adjusting naturally as day turns into night. Premium materials surround you at every touch point, from hand-stitched leather seating to brushed metal accents that reflect Cadillac's commitment to craftsmanship. The space doesn't feel crowded or over-designed, instead, it breathes, offering openness and calm that invites you to slow down and enjoy the ride. The driving position feels commanding yet comfortable, with a digital cockpit that delivers information clearly without overwhelming the senses. High-resolution displays blend navigation, vehicle status, and entertainment into a seamless visual experience. The steering wheel fits naturally in hand, while the seats provide long-distance support that remains comfortable hour after hour. As the miles roll by, fatigue feels distant, replaced by a quiet confidence that this vehicle was built for journeys measured in days, not minutes. Moving deeper into the living space, the attention to detail becomes even more apparent. The lounge area is designed for both relaxation and conversation, with seating that feels more like premium furniture than automotive upholstery. Large panoramic windows frame the outside world like living artwork, whether you're parked beside a coastal cliff or rolling through endless plains. At night, privacy glass and motorized shades transform the space into a peaceful retreat, completely disconnected from the noise and stress beyond the doors. The kitchen area continues this theme of refined practicality. High-end appliances are integrated seamlessly into the cabinetry, offering full cooking capability without sacrificing elegance. Countertops feel solid and luxurious, while storage solutions are cleverly hidden, providing ample space without visual clutter. Whether preparing a quick breakfast before sunrise or a full dinner after a long drive, the environment feels intuitive, efficient, and unmistakably premium. When it's time to rest, the sleeping quarters deliver exactly what you would expect from Cadillac's luxury heritage. The bedroom area feels serene and thoughtfully designed, with soft lighting, sound insulation, and climate control working together to create an ideal sleep environment. The bed itself offers hotel-level comfort, making overnight stops something to look forward to rather than endure. Even after a full day of driving, the transition from motion to rest feels natural and effortless. Technology plays a quiet but powerful role throughout the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Advanced driver assistance systems monitor surroundings continuously, enhancing safety without intruding on the driving experience. Adaptive cruise control, lane guidance, and intelligent braking work together seamlessly, making long stretches of highway travel feel smooth and secure. Inside, Connectivity options ensure that entertainment, navigation, and communication remain effortless, whether you're streaming content, managing routes, or staying connected with the world beyond the windshield. Storage is another area where this motorhome excels without drawing unnecessary attention to itself. Large exterior compartments offer generous space for luggage, equipment, and travel essentials, all designed for easy access and secure transport. Inside, cleverly placed storage ensures that personal items stay organized and out of sight, maintaining the clean, uncluttered aesthetic that defines the cabin. Every inch of space feels purposeful, never wasted, and never overwhelming. On the road, the driving experience feels remarkably composed. Wind noise is minimal, road vibrations are subdued, and the overall ride quality remains calm even at speed. Whether crossing state lines in the US or cruising through countryside routes in the UK, the motorhome maintains a sense of stability that inspires confidence. Long drives become something you embrace rather than tolerate, with each mile reinforcing the idea that this vehicle was designed to turn distance into pleasure. What truly sets the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome apart is the emotional experience it delivers. This isn't just about specs or features, it's about how it makes you feel. There's a sense of independence, of freedom, of owning the road without sacrificing comfort or sophistication. It transforms travel into a lifestyle statement, where arriving is just as enjoyable as departing. As day turns into night and the road lights stretch endlessly ahead, the motorhome becomes a moving sanctuary. The cabin glows softly, the sound system delivers rich, immersive audio, and the outside world feels distant yet beautifully present through expansive windows. It's in these moments that the Cadillac philosophy truly shines, blending performance, comfort, and design into a single, unforgettable experience. Before we reach the end of this journey, if you're enjoying this level of premium automotive storytelling and want more cinematic reviews like this, make sure you're subscribed to Motor Plus Zone. It's the best way to stay connected to the future of luxury vehicles and unforgettable road experiences. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't about excess for the sake of attention. It's about balance, confidence, and refinement. It speaks to those who value quality over noise, comfort over compromise, and journeys over destinations. Whether parked beneath city lights or cruising through open landscapes, it carries itself with quiet authority, reminding you that true luxury doesn't shout. It moves smoothly, lives comfortably, and travels beautifully. As the road continues forward and the horizon slowly fades into the distance, one thing becomes clear. This motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a vision of how luxury travel should feel in the modern era. Thoughtful, powerful, elegant, and deeply human. Thank you for spending this time with us on Motor Plus Zone. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to subscribe for more premium automotive stories. Until next time, drive safe, travel far, and we'll see you on the road.